Iron Orchid Designs recently released a new 5-color pack of erasable liquid chalk. Let's try it out. I previously stamped my design using IOD's stamp sets in Farmhand, Retro, and Sunflowers. I chose to color in my stamp design using the ELC just to give it a little more oomph. Having the 3 primary colors plus black and white gives you unlimited options for creating your own colors. I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Now they're round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down. Before I knew it, I was hurt by some stupid thing I overheard. I never built the wall to shut it all out, but now it's even made of concrete. This particle life, this particle life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. I just keep adding colors until I get it to look how I want it to. Sometimes it gets worse before it gets better. Now they're round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down. I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. 'Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Occasionally, I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally, I set them free. Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This particle life, this particle life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. 'Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Now they're round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down. Never coming down. I'm never coming down. Never coming down. It only takes a tiny amount of the ELC. I'm using water to help it flow and to dilute the color a little bit. I was hurt by some stupid thing I overheard. I never built the wall to shut it all out, but now it's even made of concrete. This particle life, this particle life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. I didn't get a really good stamp impression on this S, so I decided to just touch it up a little bit with a brush. The
The big bold letters of the retro text stamp are perfect to fill in with some color. It really makes them pop.
Never coming down, never coming down, I'm never coming down, never coming down.
Okay, let's test this. I'm using a simple baby wipe to try to wipe off this little sacrificial leaf. It works. This is going up as a sample display piece here in my store, so I'm wiping off a portion of sacrificial leaf number 2 to show how it works.
But I ain't never coming down, never coming down.
There's a slight ghost left over after wiping with the baby wipe, but it completely is gone with a little scrub from a magic eraser. Now to dress up this frame. I'm using Fusion Mineral Paint in Jenny's Green, but you can use any color that works well with your decor. DIY Paint just came out with this amazing gold gilding wax, which looks perfect on the green I chose to paint the frame. Creating your own custom and unique chalkboard has never been easier. To purchase any of the products you've seen in this video, please visit my website at sentimentalsalvage.ca. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more inspiration. Thanks for watching.